Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to change the pitch in Audacity. Open your recording Audacity or import audio you want to work with. Select the portion of audio you want to change the pitch of. You can click and drag to highlight a specific section or press Ctrl A to select entire recording. Go to the Effects menu at the top of screen. Go to Pitch and Tempo and select Change Pitch. In the pitch window, you can specify desired pitch shift. You can enter a percentage change or use slider to adjust the pitch. Positive values increase the pitch and negative values decrease it. Audacity also provides visual representation on how pitch will be changed. After setting pitch, click OK to apply changes. To preview results, play the audio with Audacity. Experiment with different pitch values to achieve desired effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.